Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss another very interesting LeetCode problem, and the problem is missing number. The question says, given an array containing n distinct numbers taken from 0, 1, 2 up to n, find the one that is missing from the array. For example, if you consider this test case 1, suppose our input is 3, 0, 1, then 0 to 3 the numbers are taken and the number which is missing is 2 in this particular array, so that the output should be 2. If you consider this example, which has the input array like this 9, 6, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 0, 1, and in this particular case we can clearly understand the numbers are taken from 0 to 9, where only one number 8 is missing, so output should be 8. And the condition for writing the algorithm is your algorithm should run in linear runtime complexity. That means you cannot use nested loop, and simultaneously you have to use constant extra space, because here they are asking could you implement it using only constant extra space complexity. Okay, all right. So try to think about one algorithm which can be used to solve this particular problem and implement that in NetBeans or in Eclipse or some other online compiler. Check whether it is giving correct output or not. If it is not giving correct output, no need to worry, here I am explaining. See, what is the logic we can implement for solving this particular problem is very simple. What we will do, first we will sort the array. Whatever our input array is, we will sort that. Okay, and then we will check, we will initialize one variable with 0, with value 0. Okay, suppose temp is the variable name, then we can write like this, int temp equal to 0. And from the starting of the array, we will traverse in the array. As starting of the array, we will extract each and every number, and we will check whether that is equal to temp or not. If it is equal to temp, if that extracted element equal to temp, then we will increment the temp value, and we will check whether next element of the array is equal to incremented temp or not. If all the conditions satisfied, then in that case obviously there will be no missing number, but in our input array obviously one number will be missing according to the question. So as soon as we will find the missing number, the temp variable value and the extracted element from the input array will not be same, and then in that particular instant of time we will break that for loop and we will get our result in the temp variable. All right, so this is our very simple code. Let me explain. See, class solution. So solution is our class name. You can give class name according to your choice if you are implementing in NetBeans or Eclipse. Then public int missing number int array nums. Okay, so this is not, we no need to write the whole code, we have to write only the function. Okay, where the input argument is this nums array, which is our input, and missing number is the function name, and our return type is integer, which is not present in the nums array. In temp equal to 0, we are initializing the temp variable with 0. We are sorting the array using arrays.sort nums. Okay, and then int gh equal to -1 we are defining here. This particular variable is not required, sorry. Now we are traversing in our array. So for int I equal to 0, I less than nums.length I plus plus. If temp not equal to nums I, that means if temp variable value and the extracted value from the nums array is not same, then and there we will break that for loop. Otherwise we will increment and we will check the next temp plus plus, return temp. Okay, all right. So let me run the code and show you whether it is giving correct output or not. So see, if our input array is 3, 0, 1, so from 0 to 3 the missing number is 2. So see, output is 2 and the expected output is also 2. So this is working. Let us submit this and check whether this is passing all the test cases or not. See, few seconds ago accepted. Runtime 7 millisecond, memory is 30. It is taking 39.1 MB memory, right? So here you can see some statistics about the code also. 24.72% faster with respect to time complexity and 100% efficient with respect to memory efficiency. So you can optimize the code with respect to time, obviously, right? So this is all for this video. I hope you have understood the algorithm. This is quite simple code, and this type of problems are very important for different service and product company based placement process, whether you consider TCS Digital or TCS Ninja or Cognizant or Infosys Power Programmer or a Capgemini differential placement process, etc. Alright, so this is all for this video. I am going to post the same code in the comment section. If you want, you can check there. Thank you for watching.